located at the Kote Mangrove. When we realized there was a huge gap, over 10 acres of mangrove dying back. This was a major challenge for the forestry department, and we're very happy to have the help of TNC, who brought experts who taught us how to be able to grow the mangrove and create the ideal environment for the seedlings to germinate.
So started in January, we came in with a team from forestry and from the community members for us to start to collect the base data, and then from there this week we're going to go in and try to see if we can plant out the 4,000 plants we have in the nursery. We're hoping for success, but so far it looks like we will be successful.
Today we have a host of students coming in. They were part of the school visits that we did prior to this week's activity, where we promoted and explained to them the importance of mangroves.
Public education can never be too much. We got the kids involved, we got the public involved in some replanting exercises.
Today they get an opportunity to come in to plant and restore one part of the mangrove that has died, hoping they will get the experience and help in the planting of the seedlings that have been prepared.
What features did you use to identify? How did you know this is a white?
The leaves, by the leaves and the roots.
So today we're achieving a lot. They're getting to learn about the mangrove, but in a really hands-on way, and really seriously hands-on way, because they're getting muddy, they're getting to touch the trees, they're getting to see the different species of tree, they're getting to meet many different people who work in different ways in mangrove conservation.
And why are mangroves important?
They help filter the water, and they help protect us from big waves coming from the Atlantic Ocean.
So this is a very important thing for us at this time. For them to get an appreciation of what is right in their back door and the value of it is critical. They're the future prime ministers and so on.
When I have my children and come here, I'll be like, oh, this is my tree. I'll name it after myself.